Hi, you amazing grade 4s. It's Madame Naysal here with you again. I'm just going to walk you through another example of a 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication question. Now, you guys are already really familiar with the box model, so I'm just going to hop right into it. Okay, so to start off, just like we already know, our largest number in this question is a 3-digit number. So we are going to draw a box. And because our largest number has 3 digits in it, we need to break this box into 3 different equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking my 7, and I'm going to drop it down here. And then I'm going to take my numbers and write them from right to left. So I have a 4, 3, and a 7. Now, I know that I talked about this yesterday in our video, so I'm just going to go over it a little bit again. Just a reminder to keep your place value chart in mind as you're doing this. So this is indeed just a 4 and a 7 because that's in the units. Then we're going over to the 10. So this isn't actually just a 3. This is a 30. I'm going to draw in red so you can see it. And then over here, we actually don't just have a 7. We actually have 700. Okay. So we're going to get started. So to start off, we have 4 times 7. Now, you guys know your facts off by heart by now. If you don't, that's okay. Just keep practicing them. So we know that 4 times 7 is 28. And as we go over here, 30 times 7 looks like a really hard number. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pretend that that 0 is not there for now. And we're just going to do 3 times 7. That's really easy. So 3 times 7 is 21. We're going to write that down. But just a reminder to bring that 0 down, we're going to add it to the back of the 21 to make 210. Awesome, awesome. Then we're going to go over here. We have 7 times 7. And that looks pretty easy. But again, if we were to make it 7 times 700, that would be huge to multiply. So again, we're going to pretend that those zeros aren't there. We're going to do 7 times 7, which is 49. But again, bring those zeros down to join, and we have 4,900. Okay, so these are humongous numbers. But again, you guys are brilliant, and so we know that you're able to multiply these. We now have to add these all together. Okay, so we're going to start over on the right. 4,900 plus 210. Plus 28. And it looks like you're going to have some regrouping going on over here. So we're going to start with over here on the right column. We can see that 0 plus 0 plus 8. We're just going to make that an 8. We have 0 plus 1 equals 1 plus 2 equals 3. Over here it gets a little trickier because we have got a 9 plus 2. So we are going to have to do some regrouping. So we know that 9 plus 2 is 11. We're going to give one of our 1s over here, and we're going to add that over there. Okay? So our 1 plus 1 is now equal to a 5. We're going to drop that down. We're going to make 5,138. So 734 times 7 is 5,138. And there you go, love bugs. Thanks again for joining me today. If you need any help, please reach out to Mrs. Landry and I. We are here all day and we are here to help you. Okay, good luck and have fun.